Si Jay Tariela ang masigasig na nagbebenta niyan, sponsored by Biden administration. And also last August 23, 2024, he said, "Patriotism my ass. Kayo kaya ang taksil sa bayan dahil sunod-sunuran kayo sa dikta ng Amerika. Booking na ang kawalang hiyaan mo, Jay Tariela." So, sir, this is a good example of how, like Mr. Lopez is countering our factual narrative in the West Philippine Sea. And this is the reason why we need to counter fake news purveyor like Mr. Mark Lopez spreading wrong information about our fight in the West Philippine Sea. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit ang hirap nating pagkaisahin ng mga Pilipino sa mga pagsasalita na katulad ni Mark Lopez na ganyan, that he never hesitates to call out the aggressive actions of the People's Republic of China. And he appears to even side with the People's Republic of China's narrative.
Commodore Tariela.
Primarily, sir, they are calling me as a U.S. lapdog. At one point, they also said that I went to the residence of Speaker to receive 3 black bags. Those kind of things, sir.
And were these attacks from Filipinos or from foreigners?
From Filipinos, sir.
From Filipinos. Mark Lopez, so dito po sinasabi ni Commodore Jay Tariela na meron ka daw pong mga isinusulat na hindi makatotohanan laban sa kanya. Pwede mo po bang ipaliwanag ito?
Baka po si Commodore Tariela po ang dapat magpaliwanag kung ano po yung sinulat ko.
Okay, yes, please. I mean, I want to understand because I want to know, because you're a uniformed personnel of the Philippine government,
Yes, sir.
no? And your duty is to uphold the Constitution and to
Yes.
fight for sovereignty and for the protection of the welfare of the Filipinos.
Yes, sir.
So I want to know, because if he's a Filipino and he's attacking fellow Filipinos, medyo red flag po sa akin yun. So pwede po bang may share mo pa ang uri ng mga sinabi ni Mark Lopez laban po sa inyo?
Yes, sir. Last February 5, 2025, he posted it on his X account. Si Jay Tariela ang masigasig na nagbebenta niyan, sponsored by Biden administration. And also last August 23, 2024, he said, "Patriotism my ass. Kayo kaya ang taksil sa bayan dahil sunod-sunuran kayo sa dikta ng Amerika. Booking na ang kawalang hiyaan mo, Jay Tariela." And
Okay.
then